All right, we made it to Virginia. We're at Virginia International Raceway on behalf of Driver Motorsports for the Japan Auto Legends event. It has been an insane time so far. We got to drive the Toyota Century all around Virginia. We drove all the way here. Dakota has the Supra. Alex had a 300ZX, which has got a really cool livery on it that pays homage to one of the old IMSA cars. It's been a fantastic time. So people are starting to roll in. The vendors are setting up. We got some really cool cars to look at already. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead, look around, look at some cars, talk to some people. Should be a fun time. So, I may or may not have locked the key in the trunk of our vehicle. And now I have the whole Driver Motorsports crew trying to figure out how to unlock the trunk of a 1997 Toyota Century, because the only way is to have the key, literally, to have the key. And the one piece...
It's not that hard.
Yeah, the good news is that...
In fact, it can't actually be done at all. So that's the good news.
Yeah, so not only is it completely bricked, it also has all of our luggage and stuff in it. And it's also a really nice car that is now just kind of locked here.
It's going to be really easy
so,
to get on an airplane tomorrow.
yeah. So they're going to try to apparently hot wire the trunk of the car through some switch or something. I'm going to walk around. I feel way too bad. I bought a hat, make me feel better. So this is more than just a car show. As you can see, we got cars going out onto the track. Virginia International Raceway is an incredible racetrack. And we got the show going on. There's Ben from Gears of Gasoline heading out onto the track. Like, there's a whole bunch of stuff going on today. So this is in partnership with the SCCA. So we got car show, we got track day, we got a whole bunch of stuff going on. We got cool cars everywhere. Hey, yo, I see it. RX-8. That thing looked crazy. All right, we gotta go check out the RX-8 because it's really neat. And that's the third one I've seen here today.
There's a lot of them.
There's one like chilling over there somewhere. There was one that we saw on the track before, and then there's this one.
Yeah, is it the thing where like you own a car and you start to realize it everywhere, or are people really starting to track these things?
I don't know. I love seeing stuff like this. I love seeing stuff like where it's like,
still in it.
Yeah, you see my car and it's like the complete opposite of this, but it's just like seeing it in this form is just really something. This is the fourth RX-8, the fourth one. The other one was bone stocks. This one's different. I love it.
Not to interrupt, but black Honda Civic Type R's look mean as hell, especially
yes,
ones.
Yes, dude. The black FK8s look so amazing.
The red interior.
Yeah. RX-8. So we're not only here to have just like a good time, hang out, see some cool cars, meet people, but we're actually here to help out. We actually are part of the judging for this show, which is super cool. And there are a lot of fantastic cars here. So it's gonna be hard to narrow down. I gotta pick out 8 cars here. It's gonna be hard to narrow down which ones I'm gonna pick because we've been walking around, there's some really cool stuff. So Alex, Dakota, and I, and then a couple other of the guys from Driver are in charge of the judging. So we're gonna take some time and go walk the grounds, see what we can find, write them down. Once those are all completed, the top 25 are actually to come in front of the Driver Motorsports area here for the final judging to figure out who's gonna win the trophy. So let's go find some cool cars.
What do I want out of this car? What do I want out of this car?
You already called dibs on the Mark III?
I want it to be a wagon. I want it to be manual. Maybe white, no moonroof, black interior. That's what I'm looking for.
That's not very JDM. All right, well, Dakota found his choice very clear. This thing is wild. All right, so the finalist cars are picked, all 25 of them. They're actually announcing them right behind me here. So they're gonna go ahead and pull their cars up for final judging, and we're gonna figure out who's gonna take home these trophies. There are just some absolutely fantastic cars that have shown up to this event, so it's gonna be really tough to judge them. but we're gonna see who's gonna take some stuff home today. Okay, literally as I was filming that section, I saw the trunk fly open. You guys, I am so fucking sorry, but you did it. You did it. Yes, it was me. I'm so sorry. I literally, like, we were using this as like our home base, and it was like, you know, we're in and out of there. Alex like, I need to grab something. I was like, okay. So I went in there, and like, you gotta like hold the button, and then you have to. Then we have to like open it immediately. So we're like, okay, I had the key, and I like grabbed something.
So we didn't have any wire. I had to go
out of my car.
I had to go to his car and cut a plug off to get wire.
Oh my, you're a genius.
You guys
though.
are legends.
You're a
It worked.
genius.
It worked.
Oh my God, guys,
Professionals here.
I'm so sorry, but I'm
Get
so
that
happy
man
you
a
guys
beer,
figured this. Yeah.
whatever he wants.
Yes, for real.
Well, now we know.
Okay, crisis averted.
Hey, keep that wire in the car.
You guys are geniuses. You guys are geniuses, man. That was fantastic. I literally was filming like, oh my God, it's been like 5 hours, and there's like a crew of people around the car, and like I just like stopped recording, and the trunk flew open. I was like, yo, and I like sprinted over from the other side.
I just accepted in my mind I wasn't getting my clothes back, and though I was just gonna have to let the suitcase go. I was expecting not to get it back. I thought we were screwed. Unbelievable.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
What's wrong,
All of our shit. How did you get this open? Woo-wee!
I owe all you guys like a round of drinks. I don't know.
Yeah, who liked this truck? This shit went from precarious to solved.
I'm never living this down.
I was actually planning on us not getting that. Like, I had a whole plan on us not getting that trunk open, including like what I'm gonna do with laptops, hygiene, clothes.
Yeah.
I was like, we're gonna have to stop at a Walmart on the way back so I can get a pair of underwear. We're fucked.
Thank God we had our wallet, you know.
Yeah, at least
Shit.
we had that. But hey,
Track is the one place where
we got it.
They got it.
Dude, you ever gonna leave a key in a trunk ever again?
I am no.
It's like Vietnam flashbacks. When you put
Yeah,
anything
I'm gonna
in the
like
trunk.
see a key. I'm like, I need to put it in my pocket or like tape it to me or something. Yeah, literally.
Glue it to your forehead.
That was stressing me out. All right, you guys. So that is a wrap for the Japan Auto Legends show. What an insane event! Like I said, this is their first year hosting something like this, and I think this is like a caliber of show that some shows have been trying to get to for many years, and they are off to a fantastic start. I mean, some of those prizes were a set of raised wheels. They were a Haltech unit. They were forged rods for like 4G63 and 2JZs, like, and they were specific for their categories, which was super dope. Like, that's such a unique prize to win. Not to mention like a partnership with a whole bunch of stuff. Every winner got like just these really cool prizes, and just overall the event, the venue, insane. Driver Motorsports, you guys are incredible. We are sitting in the Toyota Century. This thing is absolutely massive. It's luxurious. There's buttons everywhere. I didn't get to actually film a whole lot of this, but we did drive it about an hour and a half to the event here, and it's a fantastic car. This car is amazing. I still somehow managed to lock the keys in the trunk, but we got it all figured out now. We got the key back. So we're gonna head back to the hotel, grab some food, and wrap it up for the night. Again, thank you to Driver Motorsports for sending us out here, giving us some wickedly cool cars to run around in for the weekend, and of course hosting a fantastic event. And thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know what this video is going to turn out to be. I just tried to film as much as I possibly could today. So whatever this was, thank you guys so much for watching it. We got a bunch of stuff coming for the 240 very soon, which I'm excited about, and we'll be back to like the garage content. But I couldn't miss up an opportunity to do a video on this event because it is just so unique and different, and it was such a good time. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.